Tired of complicated financial research? Meet Intellectia's Finance AI Agent 4 powerful tools. Clear answers in seconds. Simplifying investing. Let's dive in. First up, technical analysis. Just pick a stock, and AI turns messy charts into clear insights. See visual graphs of price trends, RSIMACD, all the data you need. Plus, get simple action steps. When to buy, when to wait. No guesswork, just data. Wondering if a stock will rise tomorrow, next week, or next month? Price prediction has precise answers. It shows short, mid, and long-term forecasts with clear price ranges, all in easy-to-read charts. Plus, it tells you exactly what to do. Hold, buy on dips, or add more. Forecasts stay sharp and tied to specific timeframes, no vague projections. Stuck on whether to hit buy? Should I buy cuts through the noise with a straight answer. Buy, hold, or sell. Backed by a 65% win rate. It checks everything. Technical trends, options data, news, analyst scores, financial health, and valuation. Decisions stay confident and comprehensive. Options got you confused? This tool makes it easy. It studies both the stock's technicals and options data, then serves up ready-to-use strategies like this bull call spread for TSLA. It tells you exactly which calls to buy and sell, your max profit and loss, and why it works. Strategies stay straightforward and actionable, no expertise required to follow through. And there's more. Our free chat feature lets you ask anything. Use preset components like technical expert for indicator-based questions, sentiment analyzer to check news mood, or others for specific insights. Intellectia's financial AI agent turns investing from stressful to simple. Try now and start making smarter trades.